Now seed word prompt. Now I will show you an important, very good seed word prompt. Just with one, the Indian young athletes, seed word Olympics. That's all. I just gave a seed word Olympics. Now let us see what this ChatGPT is doing. See, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed athletes, today we gather here to celebrate the spirit of perseverance, dedication and pursuit of excellence as I stand before you, inspired by the seed word that unites us all. Now what you need to do is that take ChatGPT only for 70 to 80%. You need to do some personalization. First thing what you have to do is that you have to remove the seed word from here. Because seed word is a technical word from natural language processing. So therefore, you need to remove such a thing. I will explain to you during this. So everywhere it has created with just one seed word it used. So that is the reason I was telling you in the beginning, seed word or seed phrase in generative AI refers to the initial input given to the ChatGPT to generate subsequent text. I will show you another seed phrase. See, I will give you another seed phrase. Earlier it was seed word. Now I am going to show you the demonstration of a seed phrase. It is generate an essay as a continuation of this sentence. All agricultural products okay. Okay, I told you a different one. It is the prompt what I have given was generate a speech as a continuation of this sentence. Our neighborhood is littered by electronic trash. Seed phrase, the impact of digital technology. Now you have seen that one with just one smart phrase, speed phrase. What is the type of the exclusive essay we got? I hope you can see this one. See this full essay created with just one seed phrase.